Hi friends, welcome to Iris Easy Cooking. Today I show you how I make a typical German dish and it's called Schaschlik. For the Schaschlik we need pork chops, we need oregano, thyme, curcuma, rasanut, ginger and paprika, salt and pepper, and some vegetables like zucchini, garlic, onions and champignons. Also we need prepared tomato sauce, which is called Schaschlik sauce. There are some good ones you can buy in the shop, and find yourself the best, and it's called Schaschlik sauce. Okay, so we start with salt and pepper. Salt the pork chops and pepper. So very quick and very easy. And I put the champignons in and all. So like this. Okay. And all spices. Okay, I mix the spices all together like this and put it above here. So next, 2 halves of a lemon, and at last the sauce. That's all, nothing more, and so easy and quickly, like this. We need to cover it with tin foil. And in the oven. That's all, for 2 hours on 200 degrees centigrade. So open it carefully. It's very hot and very spicy. And you see the meat is very tender. And it's an incredible smell. It's hot and spicy. Okay. So now we put it all on a plate with all the zucchinis and mushrooms and the tender meat. Okay, some zucchinis and a bit of perejil or parsley. Okay. Some bread. Here, good appetite. This is the German dish Schaschlik. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Iris Easy Cooking. Thank you. Bye bye.